Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro. Today I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app on this phone. So let's firstly download Google Pay. It's already downloaded, so let's open it and tap on Get Started. As you can see, this is the home screen of Google Pay, where we can add payment method and add different types of cards. Also, we can see all of our payment methods. We can see participating banks, our full activity, and we can go to settings, in which we can settle email updates, Gmail imports, we can edit our account info, we can set personalization within Google Pay, we can turn on or off purchases notifications, updates about our passes, and offers and tips. We can set contactless setup. And also we can see help and support. And we can send feedback. If you tap right here, you can see your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.